one short about revival of agriculture in our area. If you see this board, Save Fields and Save Agriculture. We had, in our field we had a crop plantation, and this crop plantation have the seeds, hybrid seeds called Goa Dan 2, which was given to me by ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. And this scientist who has prepared these seeds at ICAR is coming to visit and see the crop, how well it has grown. They are coming to see how these crops has come up in Goa and how this crop has come up in our field. And this crop has two significance. This crop has one which can grow at saline water and sweet water, salt water and sweet water. Second is that it doesn't require any artificial method, even any soil. People have seen, many farmers have seen, and they want to know how and from where I got this. So I told the scientists, and they are coming to see this. Now my main purpose today to talk to you is that I want to revive agriculture, which I was always supporting during my tenure as an MLA. If you see my speeches in assembly, all on agriculture. I was against breaking of sluice gate. I was against having salinity in water in the fields. And I was against all those who were destroying these fields. And today I am taking a step again to revive, to support agriculture activity, that is paddy cultivation in our areas. And I want to tell you one more thing, very important. If you see these days, under COVID, many people has gone back to the agriculture. And I want to support these people. I want to support, revive agriculture who wants to come back in agriculture. I want to support people who wants to restart their agriculture activity. And any support from my side, from ICAR and any departmental, I am ready to support them.
This is the first breed that you have used?
That is the first breed, first seed in Goa. It is prepared in Goa by ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Old Goa.
When you have planted the seed?
When you planted the seed?
When our plantation started recently.
You were talking about the safe field, safe agriculture.
Yes.
Are the field in Santa Cruz are not safe?
Yes. One very important point, our fields are not safe because the saline water is more important in the fields to have pisciculture than agriculture. This is point number one. Point number two, there was lack of people going to the agriculture because it was becoming expensive, not financially viable to have agriculture activity. Third is, there are certain fields, I will tell you, there are all these fields, mostly fields today what you see are mostly under Comunidad. They are the owners and we are the tenants. And no field can be converted without the owner. But these fields are converted and they are converted into different ways. Like commercial buildings, flats, houses, whatever, illegal. They are all, whoever constructed anything in the field is illegal.
Now how you see that the 4 pillars lane to is full of converted breeds making for flower corn?
If you remember during 1990 to 94, water is to pass on the 4-pillar road on the high tide. And I got Circulum Bandh, there is Circulum Bandh that I got it repaired, and the full water which was passing every tide, it was stopped. So that was my initial starting to save the fields this side. So your answer is that this salinity which enters here has to be stopped immediately. Whether you maintain the sluice gate. No, I want to say maintaining sluice gate. Sluice gate is given for auction to save the water, saline water to coming in the fields. That is the purpose of giving saline water on auction, in this sluice gate on auction. But today sluice gates are kept open, water rushes in the fields and it gets flooded with the saline water, and your agriculture is spoiled and damaged.
How many farmers are there here?
2,000 farmers.
2,000 farmers.
2,000 farmers in Santa Cruz.
And they want to cultivate now?
Let us see how many are coming forward. There are many people who are coming forward. I am not saying 2,000 farmers are fields are still existing. There are so many which I have to see. So let us take the statistics.
How big is your area? This one seed to
My area is 3,000 square meter.
Fully you have covered.
3,000.
Fully you have covered with this.
Full no, only two small areas I have not covered because those flowers have grown in that. Which we will see in field.
Coming to the seeds, you said that seeds can be grown in sweet water as well as
Saline water.
salty water.
Yeah.
So, does it require artificial fertilizers or some manures to grow?
No. You see,
It is
there is, see, we have our manure, our common manure, which we have. That manure is okay. We have sugar and tonic. The common manure which we have. Now we have just, if you see there will be one small plot.
if this is successful, are you going to ask the government for any support or financial?
I will ask scientists itself to encourage government to take this seed. I think it will be successful. The moment you see our fields, you will find that my field is better than other fields.
So is it required further investigation after once the paddy is come?
Yeah, now the paddy, once the paddy it comes, what do you want? That paddy has to be good to eat. So let me see and let me tell people that if the paddy is good, and I will encourage people to plant this and have.
Sir, most probably we can see that every person is going for the fishery, fishing. माणसेचे फिशिंग करतात ते गाडी घालून फिश नुसते करपाक खातीर nobody goes for cultivate the field. How you will react on it?
Everyone goes for pisciculture.
Fishing.
Pisciculture is first money. Agriculture is not money. It is for your substantial food. It is called like substantial food to survive your stomach. That is not commercial. That is for one person or 2 person, but thousands of farmers is affected by this saline water. We have
Yeah,
to-
most probably in Goa we can see the all saline water is coming in the field. The field is destroyed.
If you see Santa Cruz area, more than 40% is already destroyed with the saline water, and the mangroves has come. Mangrove today is the worst sickness which we have to treat it. Now, as far as your environment, forest rules, forest area is put under mangrove. So no one can touch mangroves. If you are cut, you are put under that mangrove. So what I have told, I have written a letter to government. They have said in Goa, when the budget was presented, that 30% increase in forest area. You tell me which forest has area is increased? Only under mangrove. They are not the forest. They are the fields which were not planted and mangroves have come in. They are not. Those fields are of someone, some farmers. They are not of government. That we have to study. I have written to government. I have a copy. If you want, I'll give you after this.
Are you saying the agriculture department is not done enough to stop the salt water entering the fields? You think 40% is damaged by salt water? Should they be doing more steps to help the farmers with this problem?
See, agriculture department works from the office. The ground reality is different. Ground reality is the farmers who are going there only to get facilities of tractor, seeds, whatever machinery. Nothing else government, agriculture department gives. So we have to activate the government. We have to activate the agriculture department to have agriculture activity in Goa. This is the answer.
And to divide.
Yes. They always give me this type of seeds to to distribute to the people. I always do that.
Dr. Manohar, working as a senior scientist at ICR Central Coastal Agriculture Institute, Old Goa. Basically, I am working with rice crop, and you all know that in Goa state we have a lot of area under Kazan land where there is the problem of saltwater intrusion. So what we have done, we try to develop salt tolerant varieties which can come up well in that situation, which can give very good yield under the real saline situation. So we have developed 4 varieties of rice, Govardhan 1, 2, 3 and 4. All are able to give more than 3 tons per hectare under the saline situation. In normal condition also, in a normal soil, they can give around 5 tons per hectare. To sir, we had given the seeds of Govardhan 3, which we got it from International Rice Research Institute, Philippines. That we tested here for 3 years, and we found that that was the best variety. And we had given to sir to see its performance in the normal soil. Because though we had developed for the Kazan land, they do well in the normal soil also. And this time we had given the seeds to sir to its performance in the normal field condition.
Small correction. Govardhan 1 is not Govardhan 1, it is Govardhan 3.
Yeah.
3.
Yeah, Govardhan 3. So we have got 4 varieties. Govardhan 1 and 2 are selections from the Korgut. You all know about the Korgut, no? It is one of the farmers' varieties being cultivated in the Kazan system. Because we tried to purify that variety, and after purifying we selected these 2, Govardhan 1 and 2. Govardhan 3 is from International Rice Research Institute, Philippines. And Govardhan 4 again from developed by us only at our institute. It's a cross between Jyoti and Korgut. So like this, we have developed 4 varieties which are really doing very well in the farmers' field condition.
This tree is the first time that was been growing, or
No, already been it's been cultivated in many parts of Goa.
what is the
Response?
result of consumption of it? Any effect?
Pardon?
Any effect?
Production. Production in the salt affected field, it gives 3 tons per hectare. Last year you might have seen in Prudent Media where in Durga Farm they cultivated. Durga Farm. It was under the control of Department of Agriculture, KVK South Goa. In Durga Farm around 4 hectare area this variety was cultivated. It has given 3 tons per hectare. And that too during the Rabi season under the saline water situation. And in the normal condition like such field, you expect more than 5 tons per hectare.
And to consume it is good.
Yeah, consume is good. So it is meeting all the minimum quality requirements, whatever is required.
Till date, how many farmers you had given this seeds?
More than 200. Yeah.
More than 200.
Yeah, farmers.
Entire Goa.
Yeah, in the state of Goa. It's for demonstration purpose only.
Okay.
Yeah. And now many people are growing on their own. Our records, more than 200 farmers were given already. Yeah. In San Estevam also in 2018, we had taken in a large scale with the help of Department of Agriculture, Atma Department. More than 1 lakh square meter area they have cultivated, 10 hectares area they have cultivated. It was a group of farmers, around 35 farmers. Altogether, maybe 200 farmers we might have given already.
And how was the response?
Response is good.
So,
You said Govardhan 3 from International Rice of what? Where you got it?
International Rice Research Institute, IRRI.
R-I-R-R.
Yeah, International Rice Research Institute. It's only the international organization working on rice.
And from Philippines.
Yes. So after getting the seeds, we tested here in our situation. We conduct our experiment in the Chora Island, in the natural Kazan system. After 3 years of testing.
So what's the difference you said is saline water and sweet water?
Normal.
What is the difference between that after the paddy comes out? Is there any difference?
In the seed,
Yeah.
there won't be any difference. For
Taste,
the crop to come up, there will be a salt stress will be there. Salinity is a
For
problem.
consumption
Consumption
will
is
be
both are
normal?
same. Both are same.
Nothing.
No, no, not
Not
different.
different.
Not different. Only because of the salt stress yield may come down, but for consumption, other things it is same.
Just confirming Govardhan 3, this is not your.
This Govardhan 3, not
Yeah.
So I didn't get your name again, sorry sir, your name.
Dr.
Good afternoon everybody.
now, sir.
हांव राहुल कुलकर्णी, हांव सिनियर टेक्निकल ऑफिसर NRM सेक्शन आणि हांव सॉयल सायन्स हो विषय पळयता. आता तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की सॉयल सायन्स, सॉयल टेस्टिंग कितके महत्वाचें आसा. लायक हाऊ यू गो टू एनी डॉक्टर, द डॉक्टर विल आस्क फॉर ब्लड टेस्ट. सो ब्लड टेस्ट केल्या उपरांतूच तो मागीर रिपोर्ट पळयता आणि तो तुमकां सांगता की कितें आसा कितें ना तें. सो सॉयल टेस्टिंगाक तितकेच इम्पॉर्टन्स आसा. Everyone has to do soil testing, and in our institute we have promoted many farmers to undergo the soil testing process. In soil testing, the proper procedure is to be followed, and there is a leaflet which is available on our website at ICAR-CCARI. The proper procedure how to remove the soil sample. After removing the soil sample, you have to give it to the laboratory, either to ICR you can give it, or to KVK ICR, or to Ella Farm for North Goa, and for South Goa it is at Margao Zonal Agriculture Office. At both the department it is free of cost, but in ICR we do charge for that. Just one minute. Just hold on. We do the testing, आणि टेस्टिंग केल्या उपरांत तुमकां नायट्रोजन, फॉस्फरस, पोटॅशियम आणि मायक्रोन्युट्रियंट्स कितके प्रमाणात जमिनीन आसा ते कळून येता. झाडाच्या वाडी खातीर पॅडी असू, हॉर्टिकल्चर क्रॉप्स असू, कितेंय असो, त्याच्या वाडी खातीर सगळे नायट्रोजन, फॉस्फरस, पोटॅशियम आणि मायक्रोन्युट्रियंट्स हे जाय पडटा. आता सगळेजण म्हणटा ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग, बरोबर आसा, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग करूकच जाय आमी. पण ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंगा बरोबर आमी जर रिकमेंडेड डोस ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलायझर दीत, रिकमेंडेड डोस इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. बिकॉज जास्त प्रमाणात जर आम्ही केमिकल सारे वापरले जाल्यार ते जमिनीच्या मायक्रो ऑर्गेनिझम्साक हानिकारक असता. सो रिकमेंडेड डोस ऑफ फर्टिलायझर्स इज टू बी गिवन अलॉंग विथ द वर्मी कंपोस्ट, कंपोस्ट, FYM असे दिवन जमिनीची सुपीकता वाडोवपाक जाय. अँड देन यू गेट अ बेटर yield. And in returns to the better yield, the farmer will get better income for his or her produce. So soil testing is titkes importance asa. Now the second step, what ICAR-CCRI has done, our NRM section in charge, Dr. Gopal Mahajan, has developed an Android app. Everyone is having an Android phone now with him. So we have developed an Android app called as Goa Calculator, Fertilizer Calculator Goa. That is an app. You can download it on Play Store, and the stepwise functions are. It is very, very easy to operate. So step by step, if you follow the procedure, then you come to know how much fertilizers. Now in the market, the fertilizers available are urea, 10-20-20, 15-15-15. So how much kg you have to apply and how much dose you have to apply, that is there on the fertilizer app. So everyone can download it and everyone can take the use of it. So this is the importance of soil testing. And in our laboratory, sir has visited many times our laboratory. We have kept the photographs of different crops like paddy, horticultural crops also. We have kept the symptoms seen on the leaves or on the fruits, that what deficiency you can see. That is called as the first aid information. And based on that, आता आमका सारे हे कमी आसा, हे सारे घालपा जाय. So you can improve the status of the standing crop. That is the importance of soil testing.
You'll go on call.
Madam?
If somebody calls you, you
Yes, there is a procedure to be followed. You have to write a letter to our director or send a mail to our director, and then director deputes the concerned staff for that.
तुमच्याकडे annually कितले जण कामं जातात सॉइल टेस्टिंग करपाक अशें ICAR
ICR कडे येता, आणि KVK आमचे आसा, कृषी विज्ञान केंद्र आसा, that is adopted for exclusively North Goa. So North Goaचे farmers, खुबशे farmers येता, and every year on 5th of December we celebrate World Soil Day. In that we adopt some villages. से अराउंड अबाउट 1000 फार्मर्साचे आमी सॅम्पल्स हाडटा, त्याचे आमी टेस्टिंग करता, तांकां सॉयल हेल्थ कार्ड दिता. नाव दिस इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट concept, soil health card. The Honorable Prime Minister has told everyone to have a soil health card. Each farmer has to have a soil health card. In that soil health card, nitrogen कितके आसा, phosphorus, chemicals कितके आसा, ते जमिनी भितर ते सगळे कळून येता. And based on that, the farmer can increase the fertilizer dose or decrease the fertilizer dose. So we do distribute the soil health cards to the farmers.
कितले असे वर्साक तुमकां?
Almost now this time we have, because of the COVID pandemic, it was some 200, 300, but we go more than that also.
रेकमेंडेड हे म्हणला तुम्ही फर्टिलायझर सोडला
हय.
तर रेकमेंडेशन म्हणजे एक्झॅक्टली कितले सुद्धा असते ते
रिकमेंडेड फर्टिलायझर्स आता पॅडी खातीर वेगळो डोस असता, मागीर हॉर्टिकल्चरल क्रॉप्स आसा ताचे खातीर वेगळो डोस आसा. सो तो एनपीकेचो डोस असता. सो तो एनपीकेचो डोस कॅल्क्युलेट करून, आता जो फर्टिलायझर कॅल्क्युलेटर ॲप आसा तेचेर आमी कॅल्क्युलेट करून ऑलरेडी दवरलेले आसा. आणि सारे जे कितें मार्केटान मेळटा ते कितके किलो सारे घालपाक जाय कित्याक फार्मर्साक कळना, तो कॅल्क्युलेशन करपाक कळना ताका. सो बेस्ड ऑन दॅट ॲप द फार्मर कॅन परचेज द फर्टिलायझर अँड पुट इट टू द प्लांट्स.
पूण ते एपा वयल्यान सगळेच फार्मर्सान हें जातलें अशें ना मागीर तेका
ते फार्मर्साक ते हे आसा न्ही, अरेकानट आसा, मागीर पॅडी आसा, सगळे क्रॉप्स आसा, हॉर्टिकल्चरल क्रॉप्स आसा तितून, ऑल दी एग्रोनॉमिकल क्रॉप्स आसा तितून.
पूण तांकां एप यूज करपाक थोड्यांक कळचें ना कशें करतले म्हणटा.
ना ताच्या खातीर कितें आसा, इफ सर इज ऑलवेज देर विथ यू अँड अस, यू कॅन हॅव एन
Seminar.
short meeting with us and awareness program. You are very much right that for a small awareness program can be conducted.
Even their children, those who knows,
They know.
these days children are very good in mobile and their usage.
Everyone.
They can,
don't
Yeah.
have an interest in
No, they do work. See, as you know, they are saying that I am a common visitor there, so I like agriculture. So it is understood that I like to be within the people, within the agriculture activity which is going on. So
See.
I am ready to cooperate with you all. I am ready to help you all, and their support is there.
See, this is a fertilizer calculator Goa. This is the app what our ICR CCRI has developed, and there you can see the area or number of trees. Number of trees if you highlight, now the number of trees are highlighted, that is for horticultural crops. That is mango, then coconut, cashew, and for area if you go, then it will come paddy, then groundnut, all the agronomical crop. Then second thing you have to put, when area is there, the thing will come enter area in hectare. You have to just enter the area. Suppose it is 1 hectare. 1 hectare is 2.5 square this acres. 2.5 square acres. So that way you have to just click, and here they will ask you whether you are having a soil test report or no. If you say no also, then we have done according to the Goan, we have calculated the roughly what is the status of the Goan soil. So if you say no, then the different types of fertilizer grades are available over here. Then you have to just go to next. Then this is the dose of seed. For example, DAP is showing here 108 kg, 174 kg urea is being shown here. Then muriate of potash is 83 kg, zinc, sulfate and borax are 23 and 19 kg. Then you have to just go to the dosage. Dosage will come first dose, that is the basal dose when you have to apply, and the second dose and the third dose when you have to apply. That comes on the screen. It is very, very much user friendly, very much easy to understand. So this fertilizer anyone can download.
very user friendly and very easy.
Thank you, sir.
चल म्हणटा केडे चल्ले सावकाश पडलो जाल्यार
उकला मातसो
चिखल न्हू ते कितें आहा तें कळचें ना चिखल म्हणून आतां